All right, so today we're making an apple pie cinnamon roll breakfast bake. And this was actually something that my grandma used to make and finally gave me the recipe for. I always like to get all this goodness out because all that juice is just extra flavor. See, got another apple. All right, so we're gonna just make this the base layer of our dish. Next up, you're gonna wanna get some cinnamon rolls. And, but before that, I'm gonna cut up these apples. I forgot about this last minute. So this is just to kind of make these more bite size, if you will. Because these apples are kind of large. So this will be easier for the kids to eat. No choking hazards in this household. All good fun for everyone. All right, now that those are done, now we'll grab some cinnamon rolls. And what you do is you take a cinnamon roll and just grab one. Take a cinnamon roll and you want to break it up into chunks. And I like to kind of do this all at once. So you can be messy. You don't need to be particular about it. Should be good. We're getting these prepped to be dunked in a few goodies and shaken up. And this is where all the goodness happens with this butter coming up. So get all the cinnamon rolls out. You don't want to leave any stranded. So now that I have these in chunks, yeah, there we go. Okay, so now we want to dunk them in butter. Just let them bathe in there. Just kind of mix it up. And then you grab brown sugar. And after they've been buttered, you want to dump them in here. Just like so. Make sure they're nice and moistened from the butter. Yep. I like to do a little bit at a time because if you do all of it at once, it doesn't really coat it very well. So just kind of shake this around. And because it's all buttered, it's going to stick to it like glue, making it a delicious, buttery, sugary glob of goodness. So right there, we're going to put those straight on the dish. Just like so. And these just kind of get sprinkled all over the place. There we go. Just kind of place those anywhere you find the space for it. All right, now we'll go in for round 2 here. And I'm gonna kind of just spread it out a little bit so it cooks evenly. Kind of looks like some monkey bread. And now after that, we just want to top it off with a little bit of cinnamon. Just ground cinnamon that you get from the store. And this really gives it that final apple pie flavor. Look at that. Okay, let's just stir this all up just so we can get it all mixed in the way that it needs to. Look at that, see? Swirling the apples into the cinnamon and the brown sugar. Let's get a nice texture going. Yeah, all right. So now just smooth that out. And we put this in the oven for 25 minutes at 350 degrees. So here we go. Here we go. Let's see how it is. Oh man, I'm gonna need 2 of these for this bad boy. Man, look at that. Wow. That is gonna be scrumptious. So, one final touch we need to do before indulging is the icing. For this, I just like to do a nice spread, like so. Just kind of make it look as pretty as you can. Unfortunately, I'm not much of an artist, but it's all going down the same pipe. It'll taste good. Some in the middle there. All right, now you get your fork, find you a good little corner, and make sure you have an apple, make sure you have cinnamon roll, and here we go, maybe blow on it. Here we go. That's amazing.